we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel like calling midnight.
So today we're going to be making our meat pie filling, and these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 4 colorful bell pepper. Okay, 4 colorful bell pepper, and I'm going to be using spring onion and celery and carrot and half cabbage. Now this cabbage is going to replace my potato, so I'm going to be using half cabbage, and I'm going to be using a head of parsley. Okay, and in here I have a handful of garlic, okay, and I have my rosemary leaf, and I have my thyme. So I'm going to go ahead and chop all of this, and then we'll move along and start cooking.
So I done chopping all my vegetables. Look at it. It looks so rainbow, like so gorgeous. This is what I love. This kind of food that I love to eat every day. Rainbow food. So let's get cooking. So you're gonna need 1/3 cup of olive oil, and then I already have a chopped half sliced onions, and then I have my thyme, my rosemary leaf, my parsley, my garlic. So all of this I'm going to use it to saute my grounded beef. I have my curry powder, I have my black pepper, you can also use any pepper of your choice, and I have my pink salt, and I also have my chicken seasoning. And at the back of it I've got my grounded beef. Okay, here is 6 packs of grounded beef. It is grass-fed organic grounded beef. So let's get cooking, y'all. And now that my pot is warm, now I'm gonna go ahead and just add in my oil. And after that I'll go ahead and add in my onions. Mix together, just stir. And after that I'll go ahead and add in my rosemary leaf and my thyme leaf. Stir. And then after that I will go ahead and just add in my garlic and just saute all of this together. That's my garlic. Go in with my parsley, saute this together, and after that just put in your grounded beef and make sure you mash. Stir it and break all your grounded beef until it becomes like this. Yeah, because the time you are breaking it down, it'll be cooking and turning into brown. And after that just cover and cook. Before then I'll go ahead and season my grounded beef with 2 teaspoons of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix together and cover and cook between 10 to 20 minutes before you add in your vegetables. Now I'll go ahead and pour in my vegetables and cover and cook for 5 minutes, and just make sure it comes to a boil so that you can see if you need a thickener or not. So cover and cook for 5 minutes. At the end of my 5 minutes, and I'll go ahead and pour in my thickener using 6 tablespoons of flour, mix it with water, and then just pour it in and then cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Just like this. If your sauce is too loose, please do not add a lot of water when you are mixing your flour for binding.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life.
Stir and cover and cook, and at the end you should have a good looking meat pie sauce, juicy and looking healthy.
By continuation, today is Friday, so we're going to continue use our so soft dough. Ooh, very nice. I'm gonna part it. It smells like meat pie already. Very good. Very good. No stretching. Everything.
Would you love me?
So you see, because the dough was so soft when I made it, it was not stretchy, it was not tough, it was just perfect, as if I just made the dough fresh today. As you can see, it was so easy to work with. So the key word is, when you're making your dough for fermentation, make sure it's really soft, because at the end of the day, it's gonna be binded together no matter what. For as long as it's in a refrigerator and you bring it out and you defrost it, it's going to come together. It's gonna come together. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and just add in my filling, and I'll cover, and then I will just design it, and I will bake for 350 for between 25 minutes to 30 minutes in the oven. And I'll go ahead and do the rest of my meat pie, and that was it. And at the end, it came out so delicious and good, and just too good not to eat. This we'll call a veggie meat pie. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, like the black guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I can't hope for, baby.
Now, here's the final product of 24 cups of flour. And guess what? We've eaten a lot. So I'm going to be freezing all of this and eat it whenever we're in the mood for meat pie.